Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, or welcome to the channel if you're new, and welcome to your middle of the day market update. Just wanted to do a quick update on what's going on right now. It's quite a volatile day. We got some nice momentum since this morning, or since, well, basically you woke up if you're from the US. But the US session has just opened about 40 minutes ago, probably like 45, maybe an hour ago if you're watching this video. And that brought quite a lot of volatility and volume. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts on what's going on. What you need to know about Bitcoin. Obviously, tomorrow is a very big day with the interest rate decision and the FOMC meeting in general. Let me quickly change this color a little bit. So you need to know about that. I will keep you posted on that today and tomorrow. All right. So if you're interested in that, which I think you should be, consider subscribing, but that's up to you. You don't have to subscribe. You can also just come back tomorrow. And we'll talk about some altcoins. So what we saw over the course of today is that the odds for a 50 or a 25 base points decrease have very much fluctuated. At this point of time, a 50 base points decrease seems to be the most likely candidate, and the market seems to be bullish on that. Now, what we know, and I showed you that this morning, what we know is that the last two times that the first rate cut was a 50 base points cut, we actually got into a recession. So we might still hear more about that tomorrow. But for now, it seems, like I said, that the markets are seeing that as something bullish. The S&P 500, the stock markets, have reached new all-time highs, which have been very correlated with Bitcoin. That's also why Bitcoin right now is also bullish after a bit of a pullback when the S&P 500 pulled back as well. And so this is bullish, all right. Nasdaq also bullish, but a little bit less so. Russell 2000 also bullish, which is most similar to Bitcoin, so that's interesting as well. The dollar strength index got a bit of a bounce. In general, the dollar strength index, if this is bullish, normally that's bearish for Bitcoin and stocks. Today is a little bit different. I mean, the dollar strength index is very much at kind of a do or die level. Because if it fails to hold this level, we are probably going to get into a downtrend with the dollar strength index, which is massively bullish for Bitcoin in the coming months. But I've talked about that earlier a little bit in a video last week titled "Why This Could Be the Start of a Bull Run." It's too early to talk about all of this conclusively because we still have that interest rate decision tomorrow. And the outcome of that and the reaction by the market will determine what the direction will be for Bitcoin in the near future. Now, at this point of time, everything looks very bullish with a weak dollar strength index, with a very strong stock market. That is all bullish. And at this point of time, Bitcoin also is relatively bullish. The altcoin market is also bouncing after at the start of the US session, we pulled back a little bit, and you can see that we're not that correlated. Some coins like Sui, Celestia, Pendle, Token are outperforming, which is also bullish. You want to see some uncorrelation in the markets. So that's all great. But like I said, we really have to wait until probably like Thursday even to see how the markets react and how the markets settle in after that. For now, short term, I'm bullish, all right? Because the market is interpreting the event of tomorrow as bullish. Market structure wise, if we look at Bitcoin, we're very much consolidating. As you can see, the EMAs are also flat after trending up until last Sunday. Same goes for the higher time frames. If you look at the daily time frame, EMAs are practically flat, which means that we're waiting for that big move. We're waiting for that big directional impulse move to know what direction we're going. And honestly, that could also still be bearish. But at this point of time, short term, until tomorrow, until the interest rate, I'm at least more bullish than bearish. And I think there's a good chance. Right now we're going into the 60s. So then I mean between 60 and 62,000. I don't think we'll be able to break above 62,000. But if we do, I'll be ready. So that's what I expect from Bitcoin. Now, some altcoins, like I said, if we look at the entire market, some altcoins were actually pretty bullish right now. As you can see, some big buys coming in. Some altcoins are interesting as well. I will not be able to talk about all of them. As you can see, Sui, Celestia, Ladies, Pendle, Token, and Sei, and Pepe are the strongest performers right now. There's more like it, all right? So if you, for example, look at XRP, even though it's not moving much right now, with the appeal deadline October the 6th, I still think this is a crypto you need to keep on your watch list. With CZ being released next week Sunday, I think you also need to keep an eye on BNB. I'm not telling you to buy, but still, I do think you need to keep an eye on it. Like I said, Celestia is actually turning very bullish here, right? So if this is able to hold $5 as a support, I would see a move into the $6 level at the very least. Rune is also very strong and about to break a significant level here. Wait for the breakout though, alright? Always wait for the breakout. Layer 0 is quite strong. Fetch is regaining some momentum. That is interesting. And then lastly, like these are more kind of manipulated high risk coins. But Saga also got a big bullish breakout, as you can see, and is very bullish right now. And AP3 also looks quite good, but nothing of this is actionable right now. And just in general, even though we are pumping, and I am bullish on the markets, like I do have some positions open, and obviously I hold quite a lot of crypto, but I'm not too keen on opening too many new long positions, all right? So that's how I view the markets right now. That's what I think you need to know. Like I said, I will keep you updated on the whole situation tomorrow, etc. So keep an eye out for new updates. For now, that's what you need to know. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments or join the Telegram or the Discord group. I'll see you all tomorrow. Have a good day. Stay safe and bye.